Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The tech community is buzzing with excitement as new leaks continue to surface about the highly anticipated DJI Osmo 360-degree camera. This exciting development has been creating quite the stir, especially among action camera enthusiasts. The question on everyone's mind: is DJI set to disrupt the dominance of Insta 360 and GoPro in the 360-degree camera market? In the world of 360-degree cameras, Insta 360 has been leading the charge with its X4 and the newly released X5 models, setting a high bar for quality and innovation. GoPro, on the other hand, despite its earlier foray into the 360-degree camera market, with the GoPro Max in 2019, has struggled to keep up. Their much-anticipated Max 2 has faced delays, allowing room for competitors to take center stage. Now, DJI, a brand best known for its drones and action cameras like the Osmo Action 5 Pro, is gearing up to challenge the 360-degree camera market with the rumored DJI Osmo 360. The leaks surrounding this device have generated significant buzz, particularly in recent weeks. It all started late last year when FCC filings under DJI's Osmo division revealed a mysterious panoramic camera labeled OQ00001. This early indication, uncovered by tech outlets like 360 Rumors, suggested that DJI might be bringing its industry-leading stabilization technology to the 360-degree camera space. Fast forward to May 2025, and the excitement surrounding the Osmo 360 has intensified. Recent posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, from well-known tech leakers have only added fuel to the fire. One of the most compelling leaks came from DJI insider Hakasushi on May 3, 2025, who shared a striking AI-generated image of what the DJI Osmo 360 might look like. The image showcased a sleek, compact design with a large lens and a screen displaying a dynamic roller coaster scene. While Hakasushi clarified that the image was not of an actual product, it ignited an intense wave of speculation about DJI's plans for the 360-degree camera market. The conversation continued to heat up as Hakasushi declared, "The game is on," pitting the rumored DJI Osmo 360 against the likes of Insta360's X5 and GoPro's action cameras, urging followers to dig deeper into the potential of this new device. Adding further excitement, Quadro News shared what they claimed to be teardown photos of the DJI Osmo 360, offering a rare glimpse at the camera's internal components. These images, if accurate, have the potential to reshape the competitive landscape of 360-degree cameras. The teardown photos revealed some notable design elements, including a dual-lens assembly and what appeared to be a larger-than-average sensor, possibly a 1-inch sensor. If this is true, it would be a significant upgrade compared to the half-inch sensors found in the Insta360 X4 and X5. The larger sensor could result in superior image quality, particularly in low light, a key area of concern for many 360-degree camera users. Low light performance is often a weak point in action cameras, but DJI's history with the Osmo Action 5 Pro shows that the company has a track record of excelling in this area, leaving many speculating that the Osmo 360 could be a game-changer. Additionally, the teardown photos highlighted DJI's signature stabilization technology, including a compact gyroscopic module designed to deliver the smooth, jitter-free footage the brand is renowned for. Stabilization has always been a hallmark of DJI's drones and gimbals, and many tech enthusiasts are hoping that the Osmo 360 will elevate this feature to new heights in the 360-degree camera market. The hype surrounding the Osmo 360 grew even further, when Hakasushi posed an intriguing question to the community: what is the one feature you wish the DJI Osmo 360 would outperform the Insta360 X5 in? While responses varied, a recurring theme emerged. Users wanted the Osmo 360 to deliver better stabilization. It's clear that DJI's reputation in the world of drones and gimbals has set high expectations for the camera's performance. Another key point of discussion in the leaks was the size of the lens, which many speculated would support a larger sensor, potentially offering better low-light performance than the Insta360 X5. TechRar's March 2025 report further fueled this speculation, noting that the Osmo 360's lens appeared wider than the Insta360 X4's, which features a half-inch sensor. A larger sensor could improve overall image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions, giving the Osmo 360 a significant edge over its competitors. With the leaks continuing to pour in, industry insiders are increasingly confident that DJI's Osmo 360 could become a serious contender in the 360-degree camera market. Insta 360 has long enjoyed a dominant position, but with the potential introduction of the Osmo 360, DJI could pose its first real challenge in years. Meanwhile, GoPro's delayed Max 2 has created an opening for competitors to seize the spotlight. The timing of these leaks coinciding with other rumored DJI products, like the Mavic 4 Pro, suggests that DJI is gearing up for a major product launch in 2025. While it's still unclear when the official announcement for the Osmo 360 will come, the leaks and rumors point to a strong push from DJI in the 360-degree camera space. If the DJI Osmo 360 lives up to the hype and delivers on its promise of superior stabilization, a larger sensor for better low-light performance, and DJI's renowned build quality, it could truly redefine what's possible in the world of 360-degree cameras. This could spell trouble for Insta360, which has dominated the market with its X5 models, and could further sideline GoPro, which is already playing catch-up with the delayed Max 2. As Hakasushi aptly put it, the DJI Osmo 360 could be the dark horse that disrupts the entire 360-degree camera industry. Only time will tell if DJI's new camera will live up to its promise. For now, the tech world waits with bated breath for an official announcement. Will the Osmo 360 be the camera to dethrone Insta360? It's a thrilling question that will soon be answered. The leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo 360, bolstered by the recently shared Teardown photos, have set the stage for a fierce showdown in the 360-degree camera market. Could this be the device that challenges Insta360's long-standing reign? We'll have to wait and see. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech news and rumors.